The MAWPYNTHAW Sports, Social and Cultural Organization had organized a two-day under-15 football tournament on the 4th and 5th of February 2022, wherein the absence of the MLA and MDC of NONGKREM LAMBOR MALNGIANG, the chairman of Right NONGKREM DORBAR PYLLUN, BHALANG LYNGDOH, had consented to be the chief guest at the event. During the final game of the tournament on 5th February, Warbah Sports Club emerged as champions, where they scored 1-0 against Rngikseh Sports Club.